na lumalabas, naintindihan namin. Naintindihan namin siya.
Ito na, pa-unti-unti, pa-kompleto na kami.
The family was lost for a while, but now it's back.
You all look the same! They're just taller! Thank you for having me here.
Of course. We're so happy.
Thank you for the effort of finding me.
Saka importante, happy tayo lahat, buo pamilya.
Donata, happy kami na tinanggap mo kami ulit.
Sabi ko kasi nyo, guided kami by tatay.
Alam ko na nanonood sa amin si tatay na masayang masaya.